All right, good morning, guys. Trent here with Thrifty Pickerz. Just giving a quick update on what's going on. I know I've got a reflection in my glasses. That's all right. Here, let's see. There we go. That's better. Quick update on what we've got going on with the building. We got the building moved in. We got it set up and leveled. Everything's good there. We started running the electricity. You see the wires back here and right there, junction boxes and stuff like that. Anyway, we are almost through with the electricity. We had to run the breaker box right there. That's all we've got left, that, and then we've got to put the lights in right there. So the lights won't be here until Monday. So whenever we get the lights in, then I'll install them probably Monday morning. Whenever they show up is whenever I'll install them. I'll put them in. I think originally we were going to do installation throughout the whole building, but after looking at cost of installation, yes, it would be better to have installation, but right now I've got all this eBay stuff in my house and I need to get it out as fast as possible, and it's going to take me a little bit more time to save up the money to get the installation. So what we're going to do is we're just going to put the stuff in here, and of course I'm going to put an AC back here in that back wall, right about there where the ladder's sitting in that back wall, and get it to where it kind of cools in here. Which I parked the building underneath some shade trees, so it's not hot in here either way. It's nice in here right now. Even during the middle of the day, it doesn't get hot, so which that's a good thing. Yeah, that's about where we're at right now. We've got a lot of yard sales to hit this weekend, so stay tuned. There's going to be more yard sale videos coming. What else? I think that's it. So anyway, stay tuned, and it's going to be fun. Remember to always be safe, to be honest, and to keep picking.